Hi there, Mary here from the Joanne Craft team, here to show you how you can make this shaped denim face mask. For this mask you will need 100% cotton fabric for the body of your mask. For this demo I'm going to use denim, but any 100% cotton fabric will work. I'm also going to use this lightweight interfacing as an additional layer. You'll also need 4 18-inch long ties to attach to your mask. You can use ribbon, bias tape, twill tape, cording, or make your own out of woven or knit fabric. So now I'll show you how to make both a woven and knit tie option. To make ties out of knit fabric, simply cut your fabric into strips 1.5 inches wide, then give a little pull to make the edges roll in on themselves. Then you can cut this down to 18 inches. Make a tie out of woven fabric. Again, start with strips of fabric that are cut 1.5 inches wide. Fold the edges in to meet in the center, then fold again in half. Then go ahead and stitch down this side to secure your tie. To finish the end, fold once, then twice, and tack into place. Your finished tie should look something like this. To make my mask, first I cut out 4 pieces of denim using my pattern. Then I'm going to match my pieces together and sew along the curved edge using 3/8 inch seam allowance. Once your center seam has been sewn, go ahead and press the seam allowance over to the right and then top stitch down to hold into place. Once your center seam has been sewn, pin your straps into place on the side seam and then bundle up the strap and tuck it inside. Now match your 2 halves together, lining up your center seams, and pin into place. Once our pins are in place, go ahead and stitch around the entire mask, leaving an opening here to turn your mask right side out. Now that our mask has been sewn, go ahead and clip off those corners . And then turn the mask right side out and give it a good press. Once my mask has been turned right side out and pressed, the final step is to top stitch around all sides to close up this opening and make sure everything stays in place. And that's how you make a denim shaped face mask.